How to start a business from zero money. Right now, somewhere in the world, someone with no money, no degree, no connections, and no experience is building a successful business from their bedroom. And at the same time, millions of people are waiting for the perfect moment that will never come. So the question is, why not you? What if I told you that the phone in your hand right now is more powerful than the tools millionaires had 20 years ago? You can learn skills, find customers, create products, make money, build a brand, all from $0. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact mindset, strategy, and step-by-step process to start a business from absolutely nothing. And if you stay until the end, I'll reveal the biggest mistake keeping poor people stuck forever. Most people think starting a business is only for rich people. They think, you need investors, you need a fancy office, you need a huge budget. You need powerful connections. But the internet changed everything. Today, a teenager with Wi-Fi can build a business faster than someone with money but no ambition. The real problem isn't lack of money. The real problem is lack of direction. So today, I'll give you that direction. Section 1. Understand the real meaning of business. Before starting any business, you need to understand one thing. Business is simple. A business is just solving a problem for people. That's it. If you help people save time, you can make money. If you help people look better, you can make money. If you help businesses grow, you can make money. If you entertain people, you can make money. Money follows value. The people who become rich are usually the people who solve the biggest problems. Section 2. Why most people never start. Now let's talk about why most people stay broke. It's not because they are stupid. It's because they are scared. They are scared of failure, judgment, rejection, looking embarrassing, starting small. So they keep waiting for motivation, waiting for money, waiting for confidence. But confidence comes after action, not before it. Every successful entrepreneur started confused. Listen carefully. If you have a valuable skill, you are never truly broke, because skills create income. And the best part? You can learn skills for free. Here are powerful skills you can learn from YouTube in 30 days or less. Skill 1. Video editing. Businesses and creators always need editors. Skill 2. Graphic design. Logos, thumbnails, Instagram posts, high demand everywhere. Skill 3. Social media management. Many business owners don't know how to grow online. Skill 4. Copywriting. Writing words that sell products. Skill 5. AI content creation. Using AI tools to help businesses create content faster. Skill 6. Website creation. Small businesses need websites. Skill 7. Short-form content editing. TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now. Choose one skill only. Not 10 skills. 1. is one of the biggest opportunities in the world right now. At first, you may get 10 views, 100 views, maybe nobody watching. But consistency changes everything. Business idea 3, affiliate marketing. You promote products and earn commissions when people buy through your link. No product needed. No inventory needed. Business idea 4, print on demand. You create simple t-shirt or hoodie designs online. When someone buys, the company prints and ships it for you. Business idea 5, digital products. Sell two, post your work. Upload content daily. Bad lighting. Zero experience. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Perfect conditions never exist. This is where winners separate from losers. Most people quit too early. They upload 3 videos and stop. They try business for 2 weeks and quit. They fail once and disappear. But success rewards consistency. Imagine posting content every day for 1 year. Imagine improving your skill every single day. You would become dangerous. The hardest part isn't learning skills. It's controlling your mind. Because there will be days when nobody supports you. Nobody believes in you. Nobody buys from you. You feel tired. You feel like quitting. And that's the moment most people lose. But understand this. Temporary struggle creates permanent growth. Once you make your first money, don't celebrate too early. Reinvest it. Buy better tools. Faster internet. Courses. Ads. Software. Turn small income into bigger income. Here's the biggest mistake. Making money online. Helping your family. Escaping financial stress. Building freedom for yourself. That future is possible. But only if you start today. So remember this, you do not need rich parents, perfect timing, expensive equipment, investors, permission from anyone. You only need discipline, patience, consistency, belief in yourself. Because every successful entrepreneur once started with absolutely nothing. If this video gave you motivation, then don't just watch and leave. Take action. Comment below, I will start from 0. And if you're serious about changing your life, like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications. Because on this channel, we're not just talking about success, we're building it together. Your future starts now. Don't waste another year watching other people win while you stay stuck. Start today, even if you start small. Thanks for watching.